Everyone, my name is Satakshi Sahu from GrowStats. Welcome to a quick tutorial of my automation that I have created of viral ideas generator using the platform Apify. You can create and generate viral ideas instantly from Twitter and YouTube that I have created. And after watching this tutorial, I can assure that you will be able to generate and create content, and not only from these two specific platforms, but also from Facebook and Instagram, and customize it according to your niche. So let's get started. As you can see, here is my scenario that I have created. It is super easy to implement. After watching this tutorial, you will be able to do it yourself. So the very first model that I have used here is the Airtable search records. Here is my Airtable. So the first thing that you have to do is to create a connection of your Airtable. Then you will be able to access the base and the table that you want to use. Do the configurations. Here I have used this formula. Then I have added another Airtable module for update a record. Here, as you can see, this is my table. You will be able to record the IT here, and the status will be in progress. You hit save. Now, as you can see, I have used a router which goes two ways. So the first one is for Twitter and the another one is for YouTube. So the first one here, if we click on Apify, again, you will have to create a connection. Then you can decide which task that you are going to implement. Here I have my Twitter scraper task. And here is the input JSON, as you can see. Then you hit save. Then again, we will be using the Apify module to get the dataset items. Here I have set the dataset ID as the default dataset ID that you will be able to access from here. This is the default dataset ID. Then you hit save. I have used again the Airtable module to create a record after the whole, the data is generated. So here I have my base, the table, then you hit save, and again the update a record module. Here is my table, the record ID, and you hit save. Then here we have our YouTube module. The same configurations have been done in this. You use run a task Apify module. Same task for YouTube, the JSON input. You hit save. To get the dataset items, again, we have used the same module. We use the default dataset ID. The format will be JSON. You hit save, then create a record for Airtable. Here is the details and update a record for Airtable again. So this is the Airtable for my tweet ideas. These are the tweets that have been generated automatically. Here we have our search keywords that will be used, and this is the YouTube records. So as you can see, these are the YouTube records. This is a particular tweet that I have clicked on from my generated data. So this is the tweet. This is the YouTube video that I gave the input, the topic for AI and ChatGPT generator. So this was the YouTube video that came. And this is my Apify Twitter scraper that I used. So as you can see, I already ran it once. And this is the output that it gave me based on all the configurations I did in this. And this is the YouTube scraper that I used here. And these are the specific results it gave me based on what topic I gave it. So this was it for the video. I hope you liked this video. So do hit the like, share, and subscribe button and follow for more such videos. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.